Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to order from Pandora Jewelry account. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. To order from Pandora Jewelry account, first open any web browser on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar, then type us.pandora.net. US stands for country code of USA. With that, press on enter. Then you'll be taken to Pandora's website. Now, here you need to first make sure that you are logged into your Pandora's account on the website. After logging in, you can see various categories of products that you can shop. Now, click on the category of jewelry that you want to purchase. Then again, click on the category that you have just selected. After picking the category, here you can see various of products. Now, select the product that you want to purchase by clicking on the product. Now here you can view the product that you have selected. Mine is ring. Now here you can select the size of the ring. Then click on add to bag. With that, your product will be added to your bag. Now on the top right side here you can see the pop out. Now click on checkout option. Then you'll be guided to the checkout page. Now here you need to enter all your information regarding your shipping. First enter your first name, then enter your last name on the given box. Then enter your address on the given box. After entering your address, enter your city on the given box. Then choose or select your state. After doing so, enter the zip code of your state. Then select the country. With that, enter your phone number on the given box. After filling out all the shipping details, click on next delivery method. With that, here you need to choose your delivery method. You can either choose your standard shipping, which is of 3 to 4 business days, or you can choose express shipping, which is of 1 or 2 business days. Now scroll down. Then if you have gift options, then you can click on add gift options. If you don't, then click on next payment. With that, here you'll be guided to the payment page. Now, if you have coupon code, you can add your coupon code by clicking on add a coupon code. If you have a gift card, you can click on add a gift card. Similarly, if your billing address is same as your shipping address, then click on the given box. Now here you need to add your payment method. You can either choose credit card, PayPal, Pandora preferred card, or Afterpay. I am using credit card. Now here you need to enter all your details regarding your payment method. Like for credit card, here you need to enter your card number, your expiry date, your security code, and your name on the card. Similarly, if you want to save this method, then click on save for my next payment. With that, scroll down, then once view terms and condition and privacy policy. By continuing to check out, you agree to general terms and condition and privacy policy. With that, click on place your order. With that, you'll be able to place your order on Pandora Jewelry. This is how we can order from Pandora Jewelry account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.